Welcome to DJI headquarters. My name is Irving, Solutions Engineer at DJI Enterprise. Today, I'm very excited to introduce the new generation of drone-in-a-box, DJI Dock 2. But before we dive into the new product details, I want to talk about the journey that brought us to this moment. In March 2022, we launched the DJI Dock, which is our first ever drone-in-a-box solution. The slogan "For road less traveled" represents our expectation, making remote drone operation possible in most challenging environments. Since then, my team has put in countless hours and passion into Dock product, and it's all in an effort to bring out better, smarter, and more efficient solutions for DJI customers. Up to now, DJI Dock has been shipped to over 50 countries, and more than 6.5 million flights has been completed globally. And our engineer works side by side with Dock 1 end user to understand their true needs to provide the even better solution. And today, I'm very excited to introduce the results of our efforts. DJI Dock 2, easy operation, superior results. Now let's dive into what makes Dock 2 a game changer. The first impression when seeing Dock 2 is the compact design. It only weighs 34 kilograms with a footprint of 0.34 square meters, making it easy to transport and deploy. Taking a closer look, you will notice that we have improved the wiring system with new connectors to facilitate installation. Similar to Dock 1, we have integrated weather station to ensure real-time environment data collection. And we have made the docking system IP55 rating to withstand harsh weather conditions. However, throughout our experience with customers, we realized it's not only about mission conditions, but also about how quick you can deploy your drone, especially when we talk about the drone as first responder programs. That's why we cut down the takeoff time to approximately 45 seconds. To be able to quickly take off and land precisely, we have integrated next-generation image recognition algorithm with RTK positioning techniques. Another clear difference you will notice is that we don't have the pusher to center the drone. They were replaced by the V-shaped landing platform. When the drone lands, it just slides down, and when the dock closes, it pushes the drone to the center. Wireless charging modules are under the center of landing platform and can charge the drone from 20 to 90% in 32 minutes, a simple in collaboration with real-time information. Once the collection is completed, you are also able to conduct cloud reconstruction directly on FlightHub 2 to create high-precision 2D maps or 3D models, digitalizing your operational environment in detail. All collected data, including images, maps, models, and respective annotations, can be easily shared online, facilitating efficient communication and project management. For maps created at different times, it's possible to make model comparisons to easily visualize site changes over time. It could be used to DJI Dock 2 for routine asset inspections of substations, solar farms, or other infrastructures. One good example is the case of Endesa, the leading energy companies in Spain, and one of our Dock 2 key beta testers. During the test, they utilized the DJI Dock 2 for comprehensive assets inspections, including solar panels, substations, and transmission lines, showcasing DJI Dock 2's adaptabilities and efficiency in the energy sector. Next, I would like to invite Director of Drone Operation at Endesa to share his experience and insights from 4 months Dock 2 testing.
Hello everyone, and thank you Irving for your words, and thank you DJI for letting us to be part of this presentation. On the other hand, the main activities we have carried out in the second phase of our project has been